Well, today, looks like my mama let me dress myself and I tried to sneak out of the house with a belly shirt on, but it's about these ribs, not my belly. So moving on. It's been a while. It's been like 6 or 8 months since I've cooked, so let me see if I can figure this out. Anyway, go to the store and get you some ribs, spare ribs that is, and make sure it's got plenty of marbling. That marbling is going to help you out at the end of this cook with your moisture and your tenderness. Get her there on the backside and cut off that flappy meat down the middle and pull that membrane if you'd like. If you don't like, don't pull it. Cut off that breastbone over there and just chunk in the garbage. People's going to say they're going to use it for stock. I'm not, because I'm not that in-depth into this cooking. You can buy it in a box. And anywho, get her all trimmed up. Make her look really good. Because we eat with our eyes first. And yeah, just trim her up just because everybody says to. And that's just what we do. All right. Now, we got her trimmed up. It's time to worry about the seasoning. Now, I'm trying to do better here at the old Mojo Dojo and lay off the sugars and stuff. So we're just going to go simple with some salt, pepper, and garlic. About those amounts right there. That way you can eat it on anything here at the house. Get them flipped over and start on that backside. You don't need mustard. You don't need mayonnaise, ketchup. Hey, a little hot sauce now. That might be good because it does add flavor no matter. People say it don't. I think it does. But anywho, you can go heavy on the seasoning. It's, these things start out about 6 pounds. We're looking at 4.5, 5 pound chunk of meat. Give them the snort test. That way you'll know if you've got it just right. And I believe I'm a little light on the salt. So we're going to hit it one more little layer. And, years of experience makes the snorter say, man, that is just right. Alrighty, now all I gotta do is go out here, get this Outlaw Patio fired up, get to cooking. I did remember how to do it, believe it or not. I threw me some charcoal and some hickory in that firebox and lit her up, and she run like a charm. Now to simplify this for me, I'm gonna put a probe right here between 2 bones in the thickest part. And to forget about that 212, that must have been a brisket thermometer at one time. But I just want to keep an eye on it, so when it gets around 200, we'll check it. I'm going to be cooking at 300 throughout the whole cook. About an hour and a half into the cook, we're going to grab some Wickers. Now, if you don't know what Wickers is, get you some. When I think barbecue, I think Wickers. All right, then get you, when you get your Wickers, get you the stick of this here garlic and herb butter. Might as well pick out some rosemary while you're there. Why? Because, I don't know, just because I wanted to. And I'm cooking it, so I just wanted to. Anywho, 2 hours into this cook, let's go outside and let's start basting those ribs with that Wickers butter concoction. I'm going to do it about every 15 minutes. Not only is it going to help with moisture, it's going to add a ton of flavor. 4 hours later, this is what we got. And I must say, I even impressed myself. Sometimes, when we know they're done, it's kind of like they say sticking this in butter, but I'm going to say stick your probe in a country crock box, and that's what it does. Or about 203 degrees on these. Or you can pick it up with a knife and it starts to break. That also means it's done. Or if you're good with a snorter, you can sniff them and be like, yep, perfectly cooked ribs. Moving on, we're going to let them set out here for about 20 minutes till it gets down to about 160. That's going to allow those juices to even back out in that meat. And as you can see here, they tightened up while they were sitting there. Backside looks good too, don't it? Yep. Alrighty, now let's cut them. I didn't sharpen my knife, so we'll pay for that in the looks department. Maybe we'll do better next time. But look there. Whew. Moisture? Yep, we've got it. Alright, let's go ahead and get this piece off. I dropped a piece. Let's boys, girls, men, women, cats, dogs. This should be on your menu for next weekend. Yeah, some of the best ribs. I ain't lying. That's some of the best ribs I've had. Alrighty, we're going to pick it up. Go in for a good old bite. Look at that smoke ring. I done good. Done well. Or did well. Or done. My wife, she'll tell me if I'm using the correct. Anywho, look, got a clean bite. Got another clean bite. But I can also pop that bone out. Some people say, I want to have a bite. I want to chew on it. Well, don't cook it as long, Sherlock. That's how you do it. I like them just like this. Alrighty, that's it. I might be back. I might not. Who knows? But If I ain't, I appreciate you. And remember, this weekend's more than bunny rabbits and eggs. Alrighty, until next time, Mojo's out.